Good Saturday morning, family. This is Nettie, Simply Me Journey. Well, I'm cooking myself a little breakfast this morning. I'm going to have a little hash brown and a sunny side up egg and some bacon. And I want y'all to see how I'm utilizing my new Slim Spice, my new Slim Spice cot, whatever you want to call it. So I have it right on this side of my stove, left side of my stove. So I know I have to do my spices, so I just pull this out right here. Here my spices on this rack right here. And yeah, this is good. I think I would prefer it over here because I'm right-handed, but it's okay. It's not bothering me over there. So yeah, we're gonna do some hash browns this morning. 1 egg. I don't have any onions. I didn't buy onions the other day. Put a little olive oil because I don't use I use the butter, but not that often. So put a little olive oil in here to put my. And yes, y'all, I'm really enjoying my new Amana 20-inch range. All the eyes in the oven, everything is working. Everything is in working order. And I got that on number 7. Yeah, I got that on number 7. It's cooked well. I'm really, really impressed with my new range. Really, really like it. But I want you all to see the see how I'm utilizing my cot. That's what I want you all to see that. And it, it is kind of wobbly, y'all. It's kind of wobbly. The little wheels, they don't turn like, I thought they were the kind of straight wheels. But it's a little wobbly. It's not really safe. So what I'm going to do, I got cans in storage. So when I get my cans, I'll put my cans on the bottom. And I have my my other little, packs, boxes. And only one box can fit there. Have the boxes on the bottom. And the little package stuff here. Just something to put here to kind of see how it works. And but so far it's usable. But like when I put those little nugget things in here, little wood pieces, kind of split it here a little bit, and that's so all of them look like it. So I think this thing could be either a little narrow. I think they can put those little things a little closer in together here, still on the edge, because all of them kind of have a little split, and it's okay. Not the best quality for the money. To me, it's too high. I would put it at $29.99. I mean $19.99, because to me it's a $19.99 product. It's $19.99 product. It's not a $50 product, because it's just weak. I like my hash brown look like little cooks in this here, so I'm gonna try to keep cooking them until I get the crisp that I want. And I just put a little olive oil in there. I've got my my bacon thawing out in here, kind of loosen them up a little bit. Yeah, family, this was got up early this morning, kind of early, and so I got up early this morning, maybe about 5 o'clock or something. Sit and watch the little stuff, videos, and then I got back sleeping. I laid back down and laid back in the bed. I like to put a little salt and pepper on my hash brown. So, and I use for my salt, I use pink Himalaya. I'm gonna put too much of that. The pink Himalaya to me kind of really gives a good flavor. It don't give a salt. It kind of like, to me, the pink Himalaya kind of help with the others. I don't know. It's not a salty taste at all. Depending on, I guess, depending on how much you put on. I just shake a little bit on mine. I'm not into a whole lot. Y'all, look at this little bitty tail egg. That's little. I might have to do two. This thing here is so little. I don't have any orange juice. I need some more. I need to buy some juices. This egg is so little. I don't know. This was $4 or something, y'all. You know I was cringing my teeth together. There's a lady that lives down the road that actually sell eggs. So I'm gonna call her son today and ask him if she sell eggs or not. Because that's one my brother was saying. But I don't know how long ago he knew that, so I need to ask him. So, and I'll just buy eggs from her. She got, you know, free range chickens out there, so I just get eggs from her for paying them money at the store. Oh, here go my plate. Okay, so my hash browns are about ready. They can really need some more cooking. They can need some more cooking. Really can. Let's kick it up a notch. Let's just put some more heat on it. I like my hash browns just crunchy kind of. I don't have any. I'm gonna tell you something. I like ketchup on my hash browns. I don't know if I have any ketchup in a condiment bag. Y'all know this bag's been traveling with me for a good minute, right? Let me see if I have any ketchup. My biggest thing is mustard, mayo, soy sauce, sauerkraut. I don't even know right here. I got strawberry jam in here, but I don't think I have any ketchup. No, I don't have no ketchup. You see, I like these here. I usually work with that with my potato salad. I love potato salad, so I put the relish in my potato salad. But I don't have no ketchup. I haven't purchased any ketchup at all. So, no ketchup. I like ketchup on my hash browns. Okay, you brown a little bit better now. So y'all, these pots and things that I'm using is the pots that I use when I would go in the hotel and cook. These are the same pots, yes, they well used up. This is what I used to use when I go into the hotel, is these pots here. These are actually Stanley, Hobie stainless steel. This is the worst product you can buy. This is cheap. I mean, I pay a lot of money for them. I pay $50 for a set of two. But they cheap. The product is cheap. Stanley Camping products. They were supposed to be stainless steel pots. Are cheap. Easy burn. Easy burn. I mean, they burn like really easy. I'm going to cook my bacon. I'm going to put my bacon in here. And I'm going to lower my pot down here a little bit while I loosen this up. So, yeah, I'm loosening up my bacon. Y'all know I was showing you on one video how I roll up my bacon. And when I buy the whole pack, I roll them up so they can, this is a lot of frozenness right there. Let me get my knife. So I'm ready to put some bacon in that pot. I'll let this sit. Let's get some started here. I'm not gonna hit that button. I just poured it out a little bit. So, hash browns not as pretty as I like them, but they'll do. I'm going to show you the bag of hash browns that I buy. This is my hash brown. Simply potatoes. I love them. And I didn't put them in the freezer this time like I did the last time. I probably need to break this down too. I think I need to break, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to break these down here, just too. And then I can put some in the freezer because I'm not going to be eating all of the hash browns right real quick. So, now I smell that that maple, And a little bit of heat on both sides of this here. Kind of loosen that, loosen it baking up. Oh, okay, this is maple bacon. I can smell it. Let me bring this smell closer here. Sorry, for my kind of heat was laughing kind of. Let's try to adjust this tapping. Okay, so the heat is loosening up the bacon. Just like I needed to. All right, family. We'll talk later.